So here you have the Rama 9 bridge. Are you talking to me? Good morning. It's Sunday morning. It's about 7:20 and I'm here at the toll gate that leads up to the Rama 9 bridge. And this is the old Rama 9 bridge, but I want to show you an update regarding the construction of the second Rama 9 bridge that goes over the Choa Phraya River. And the main reason that I'm here is because my friend Rifa, he made a very nice drone shot of the whole construction site. So I thought, why not film the whole site from the ground floor here, and then I can combine it with the drone shots. So from here I'm driving towards the Rama 3 road, and there's not much construction yet here. So it's early morning on Sunday, and the reason is because this is the only way that I can bike here with not that much traffic. I filmed here maybe half a year ago and it was quite busy. I didn't like it. So you know, in Bangkok, one of the big problems for the transport and traffic is always the river crossings. So this second bridge will ease the burden of traffic. So this here is the entrance of the bridge. It's a massive project. And a little bit later, I'm gonna show you, as an extra bonus, an update regarding the Terminal 21 Rama 3. I mean, that should be almost ready now. So I'm happy to show that as well. Yeah, you can see all the pillars. When this is ready, this is going to be a huge, let's call it mishmash of roads. So there in front you see the Kasikorn headquarters, which are across the river. Yeah, it will be nice to compare the two videos and see the difference. But this is part of the bridge, the actual bridge that's gonna go over the river. I can tell you, it bike's a lot more comfortable when there's not that much traffic. So from here you have a nice overview how the construction site looks. Next to the Rama 9 bridge you have the His Majesty Rama 9 Park, and this is actually a very nice park. I didn't expect this. I saw the entrance before, but last time when I was here was in the middle of the lockdown, so I was not able to show you and get in here. This is the first time that I'm visiting this park. Yeah, this is a nice park, but it's quite difficult to get here. There's no public transport. Oh, see if I can catch the squirrel. And you saw the part that I just biked. It's a lot of heavy traffic around here. This is a very interesting building. It has 2 towers, and then the swimming pool connects the 2 towers on, I don't know, it's probably like the 30th floor or something. Interesting. So let's go to the river. So here you have the Rama 9 bridge. Are you talking to me? And there across the river, the head office of the Kasikorn Bank. Seems to be low tide at the moment. Yeah, so in the evening, this part gets really busy because a lot of people use this for doing their exercise, and in this part of the city there are not too many options where you can run. And there's a running track here. The running track is about 850 meters long. So these boats here, these are all cleaning ships. I've seen them along the Choa Phraya on different locations. And you see on the front here, there, they scoop up all the garbage and put it on the, they are like flat boats. They put it on the flat. And there must be a place here where they can dump the garbage. From here you have a nice view throughout the whole river area. You know, there are some nice apartments in this area as well. I mean, as you know, I'm a real estate agent. We don't have too much in here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the constructions to the road that leads up to the new Rama 9 bridge. And then, of course, at the end, this lovely little park here. I think it's a nice contrast, these two parts. You know, in the beginning I was biking through the heavy traffic. Well, there was not too much traffic, but biking through the concrete roads and then having this beautiful, listen to this little bird. You know, having this nice and relaxed park next to the bridge. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe. You know, I will keep you informed about everything that's going on, especially in Bangkok, and see you guys in my next video.